Okay, let's go over how to draw Lethal Company, and it's gonna be a bunker spider. Super simple, easy, for beginners. Let's go through it together, okay? I'm gonna guide you through it. Let's start, okay? So the bunker spider is gonna be kind of more or less facing us, so I'm gonna go over here and draw a slight curve on one side, and then over here, same thing, like kind of continue that curve, right, that rhythm, but with a space in the middle. Gonna go over here, we're gonna draw the back, I guess like the thorax, I forget what the back of like a spider is called. Curve over here. And, you know, honestly, we're just gonna draw it all the way through, but it's gonna be a little bit flat at the top and then pull downward. All right, so far so good. We draw that middle section first, kinda. So, pulling around the corner here, pulling around the corner on this side. And we're gonna draw two, I guess it's the antenna, but I mean, it looks just like spider legs. But, you know, it's supposed to be where the antennae are coming out. Down right here, so out, down, like in an L shape. Over here, down. Curve up, looks like a French fry almost. Down over here, we're gonna do the same thing, fall all the way up, back over here. It's kind of like, again, representing the antenna, but all right. So now we're gonna draw the bottom of the face. So curve underneath, try to make sure it joins up on this side. In, up, across, down, up over here. And curve, these are the fangs right in the front, right? Yeah, right on. And we're gonna draw the eyes, which are really close together, by the way. So right here, dot, and right here, they're almost, you can even maybe make them touching. Out over here for a leg. So out, pretty far out, down. Okay. Out over here on this side. Down. Okay. Because the legs are really, like, there's like 2 or 3 that are like way out there. Let's go to the back over here first. Pretty long. Downward. Over here. Downward. We're kind of, do you understand the view we're looking at it? We're looking right at this. By the way, don't forget to hit the like. It's kind of hard to make these videos, hard to explain it, but I love doing it. But definitely hit that like button, okay? Right now, if you can. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so we're looking at it from the front over here, but slightly from the front to the top. We're looking down on this spider, right? It's a huge spider, but we're still looking down on it. It's probably as big as like a dog or something, I think, in the game. Okay. Let's go over here. We're gonna pull in, give a little thickness to that. If you saw the last video, you'll know what I say about that, a little thickness to it. See, we're giving thickness to any line right there. It's more or less just a repeated line. Right there. Right on. And you know what? We're going to do it for the back as well. So we're going to go down over here. Give that thickness for the back line as well. It does get smaller on the way down, so remember that. Thickness. Down over here. Let's just say it's on the floor back there somewhere, right? Okie dokie. And now what we need to do is add a few more legs. It has, like, if you count these two as legs, there's like 10. Okay? So, but we'll see how it goes. Out over here, down. And it's good to show one first, right? It's kind of one leg first to kind of give an idea of where we're at. Dang, it's cold in the house right now. Super cold, sorry. Super, super, super cold in my house. It's been cold over here lately. Out over here, down. Kind of keep track because you can get lost. I've definitely got lost many times drawing. You don't want to do that. But you know where you do want to get lost? You want to get lost in the free ebook we have on how to draw cute characters. If you like drawing cute characters, this guy's not that cute. I'm gonna admit it. But if you like drawing cute characters, like adorable stuff, or you want to take like your dog and draw them in a cute fashion, there's an ebook that we have in the description over here, and that is 20 pages on the formula of drawing cute, because no offense, 95% of cute things are drawn with kind of the exact same formula, and that's what we're doing, okay? I put that all in there for you. It is, I think it's the best guide that I've ever done, and it's 20 pages, easy to print if you want it, or you can look it on your phone, no matter what. No matter what though, it's free. So go down to the description. You gotta find it, that's the only catch. And then click it, find it. It's not gonna be free forever, so get it right now. Check it out. Okay, description. All right, let's go back here. Pulling up, give a little thickness to that over there. Down over here, I'm gonna draw it. Give a little thickness to that. It's gonna be just, what that means is you have a line right there, we need to give a thickness to that line. And obviously, thickness is gonna vary, right, based on whatever, but you know, when I say that, it's just a repeated line next to it. Okay, see, this looks like a leg. That's not the leg, right? No. That's, yeah, that was dangerous. So we're gonna go over here, down. And now there's kind of some spots and stripes all over him. So with a thinner line, right? I want you to, whatever you're using, use it a little bit lighter or whatever, or thinner. Try to make it as thin a line as you can, okay? Line over here, line over here. Line over here, line over there, over here, over here. We're gonna draw little, sometimes stripes, and these are random. So go wild with these or don't go wild. Right over here, right over here. And on the spider itself, maybe a couple of spots like this, right there, right there, right there. Doesn't have a ton of them, but there are quite a few, right? And then that's kind of what we're doing over on the leg area over there. There we go. And there we go. There we go. Right on. Oh, is that enough? I'm gonna look at it a little bit closer. I can always add a little bit more here at the edge, maybe right there. But if there's any of the characters that you want to see, let me know, okay? I reply to every single comment, by the way. Every single comment, I comment back. Try me in an old video. Find a video from like 3 years ago. I will comment on it. I will reply to your comment, I mean, if you make it. Thank you so much. Let's do another video together, okay? Stay with me right now. Stay. Let's do another one together, all right? Right about now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's gonna be within the same theme, and you wanna keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.